Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast, and we have an interesting pattern here today. Not a lot happening, however. You see this lake effect coming off of the of Lake Ontario here. Well, the flow is from west-northwest to east-southeast, and the result is a few flurries as far south as Rhode Island and even a little bit on Long Island here. And so a really interesting pattern. But you look at the cloud cover, and you notice outside of the precise banding, it's a partly sunny day today. So really not much happening. And as we head through this week, there's really not much happening. If we're being honest, there's just really not. So as we head through the next few days, you notice the flurries and snow showers through this evening. Again, could a rogue band put a quick dusting or coating or whatever you want to call it down from even into parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, even parts of northern Massachusetts? Parts of the Poconos? Absolutely. But it's a very quick hitter. And as we get into the overnight, you notice they're going to dwindle out pretty quick. And total precip here is very dependent on exactly where the banding goes. But just want to make it known that a few dustings or coatings, a 20-25% risk in any given location is possible. So once that's out of here for Tuesday looks like a very dry day, a very cold day. And when you toss in the winds, the wind is breezy today. It's going to taper off tomorrow, especially midday and afternoon. But when you look at these temperatures that are going to be around on Tuesday morning, these are actual temperatures, not wind chill. Negative teens in single digits north, single digits and teens above zero south. But again, toss in those winds, much colder. 25 to 40 below zero north, either side of zero south. Very impressive for Tuesday morning. And as you get through the day on Tuesday, here's 1 in the afternoon. We don't really move much. A below zero feels like day across a lot of New England and just barely above zero to the south. Now, actual temperatures tomorrow will recover to near zero, either side of zero north, colder in the higher elevations, and then in the low teens for most areas, and even some upper teens far south. So a very, very, very chilly Tuesday. A dry Tuesday, though, okay? And as you get into the middle of the week, we're going to watch a storm system to our north Wednesday that should stay there. It will be a warmer day on Wednesday here with temperatures recovering back into the 30s south, teens and 20s to the north, which is a significant deviation from where we're at here on Tuesday, okay? So I want to talk about the late week pattern real quick. And you might think this is gibberish, but I think it's really important we talk about it. So what's going to happen here? See this spinny thing up near Hudson Bay? The only reason I'm talking about that is this will dictate where these storms go. You see how it kind of sinks south here for Thursday, right here? And you see this area of low pressure going to form here and swing up like this. This here is going to keep any storm that forms to our south Thursday, Friday from coming up the coast. So that is an important key. So when you see the offshore storm, you'll know why. But watch what happens. So this is Thursday. You see the storm coming up right here. Friday morning, there it goes. It's going to go off the coast and up into the Canadian Maritimes for Saturday. At the same time, you get a secondary storm developing here Saturday in the Ohio Valley. Where does that go? Well, that's going to be dictated by this piece north of Maine. So you see a block near Greenland right here. This piece from Thursday, Friday that's going to move northward, that's going to help dictate where this system to the south goes. Is it going to come up or is it going to stay south? Well, as of now, it favors staying south because of the orientation. And you look at it, we're not far away from big moisture off the coast, but moisture that doesn't affect us is just that. It's not moisture, right? So it's a situation where we're going to have to watch it. But when you look at the pattern as a whole, you'll see what I mean here. As we get through Thursday, Friday, you see the coastal storm forming, stays off the coast for now. And then our secondary storm here for Saturday into Saturday night, also staying south. But I will advise these storms love to creep northward over time. So just keep an eye on the Sunday period, as this could be something we're watching as we get into the weekend time frame. Now, you look at the GFS, same time frame, same result. It's way off the coast right now. So for now, There's no impact possible. It looks like this is going to stay to the south. But again, worth watching, and more importantly, looks cold behind this system. And we know when you have cold, it's just a matter of time before it delivers some snow, right? So something to keep an eye on here through the Martin Luther King Day period. And looking at temperatures here, it's cold today. It's even colder tomorrow. Let me pull up the most recent run. There it goes. We're having some issues with our data sourcing today. There it goes. Tuesday, very cold. Above and below 0 north, teens and 20 south. A nice rebound Wednesday, Thursday. And then behind that system, we're colder Friday, Saturday. And then look at next week. A lot of temperatures in the 30s south, 20s north. That's slightly below normal for the middle of January, which, fun fact, is the coldest time of the year. So that's what we have for you today. Not a lot of weather happening here. Just a couple flurries and snow showers and some very cold conditions. But other than that, we'll keep it pretty tame here this week. So have a good week, and we will be back tomorrow with another video.